All right, so let's start with the big story that we are tracking on WION this morning, where there are now 39 confirmed cases of coronavirus infections across India. In the latest reports that have come in, 5 people from Kerala and 1 person from Tamil Nadu have reportedly tested positive for the novel coronavirus infections. In Kerala, it's being stated that 3 people who had a travel history to Italy have now tested positive. On the 29th of February, the trio had flown from Venice to Doha, and from there they had flown back to their hometown in Kochi. Now, upon their return, 2 of their relatives had also reportedly contracted the infection. The crucial thing to note here is that the 3 people managed to go through the screening process, because at that time it is reportedly being said that perhaps they did not exhibit the symptoms while they were being screened at the airport. Now, it's also being said that they had not reported to the health desk at the airport about their travel history. This is something that the Health Ministry spokesperson has highlighted when he said that the situation could have been avoided if the advisories had been followed.
In this case, the family had travel history to Italy and they came to Cochin via Doha. In spite of repeated requests and announcements to the public that they have to fill in self-declaration form, they have to let us know about their travel history, they did not, unfortunately, inform the details of their arrival to the health department. When their son got fever, they went to private hospital but didn't inform about their travel history. Subsequently, the 2 adults, the father and mother, they also had temperature, and then they were forced by their well-wishers and relatives to go to the hospital and reveal their travel history.
Now, this unfortunate incident comes at a time when Kerala's response to the virus has been praised by a group of international experts. Kerala had successfully enabled the recovery of 3 coronavirus-infected patients who were evacuated from Wuhan. Now, experts have also cited the state's response during the Nipah and also the Zika virus outbreaks. The Government of India's Cabinet Secretary also chaired the 16th review meeting on Sunday, and on the agenda was, of course, the plan to evacuate Indian nationals who were stuck in Iran. Their swab samples have already arrived, and all those who test negative will be allowed to return home. Now, the government has also decided to turn back all foreign cruise ships from Indian ports. It is said that none of these cruise ships, which could be a source of infection, will be allowed to anchor in any of the Indian ports. Now, in the Union Territory of Ladakh, 2 people tested positive for the coronavirus infection, and another person with a travel history to Iran, in fact, reportedly has passed away. He was showing symptoms of the coronavirus infections, but we are still awaiting confirmation on the actual cause of death from the central government.
2 हमारे केसेस है, पॉजिटिव केसेस है, मोहम्मद हुसैन और मोहम्मद हदी, दोनों अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन है और उनको पूरा ट्रीटमेंट दिया जा रहा है और इनफैक्ट उनका जो हालत है वो बिल्कुल ठीक है और जिस तरह से ग्लोबल रिकवरी के जो परसेंटेजेस है, हमें उम्मीद है कि कुछ दिनों में वो भी ठीक हो जाएंगे, बट प्रोटोकॉल कहता है कि इनके जो 2 सैंपल्स है वो जब नेगेटिव आए तभी उनको हम यहाँ से रिलीज करें, अदरवाइज दे आर इन गुड हेल्थ.
The District Magistrate of Leh has also ordered for the temporary shutdown of all schools until the 31st of March. In Jammu and Kashmir, 1 coronavirus infection testing laboratory will start functioning from today. And over the next 3 days, 2 more labs will also come into operation. Jammu and Kashmir has confirmed 1 positive case of the infection so far. We've also learned that all people who have come in contact with the patient are being tested and are being quarantined if needed. Close to about 400 others are also said to be under what is described as medical surveillance.